Hey there, Sarah Jane, and welcome to your holy shift of the day. Tips and tools that can, tiny little things that can create huge impact in a sustainable kind of planet where we're actually being much gentler on the earth by the choices that we make in our everyday life. So today, these little things, ring pulls off of your favorite beverage or anything that's elastic or is round. Just cut it before you throw it in your recycling so that it doesn't end up in the oceans or a landfill where some little critter like a turtle or a fish or a bird or an animal ends up with its body getting trapped into one of these and having an untimely death. I'd love to know what your holy shift for today is going to be and something that you can share. So drop that in the comments below. And again, here's to a kinder world through holy tiny little shifts. I love you.